Millions of travelers are now facing missing bags, broken suitcases, and stolen valuables during international flights in 2026. Security systems may look advanced, but checked luggage problems are getting worse at many major travel hubs around the world. Your checked luggage is not safe in 2026. Do this before it's too late, because one small mistake can lead to lost items, expensive delays, or denied compensation. Smart travelers are now taking extra precautions before every flight to protect their belongings. Before the next trip begins, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay updated with the latest travel safety alerts that most passengers never hear about. Number 10. Remove old airline tags. Old baggage stickers and barcode tags can confuse automated sorting systems inside busy airports. Many delayed or misplaced suitcases happen because scanners detect outdated labels from previous flights. In 2026, baggage systems are relying even more on automation, leaving less room for manual correction. Even one forgotten sticker can send luggage to the wrong country or terminal. Smart travelers now remove every old airline tag before checking a suitcase again. It is also important to remove hotel destination labels and cruise tags that may still be attached to the bag. A clean suitcase helps scanners read the correct destination instantly and reduces the risk of luggage disappearing during transfers. Number 9. Never pack valuables. Inside checked bags. Expensive electronics, jewelry, passports, medication, and important documents should never be placed inside checked luggage. Airlines often deny responsibility for high-value items that go missing during baggage handling. In 2026, theft inside luggage processing areas continues to be a growing concern in several international airports. Even locked suitcases can still be opened during inspections or handling. Smart travelers now keep valuables inside carry-on bags, where belongings remain visible and accessible during the trip. Losing clothes may be frustrating, but losing passports, medication, or expensive devices can completely ruin international travel plans and create major financial problems within minutes. Number 8. Take photos before check-in. Many travelers skip this simple step and regret it later. Taking clear photos of luggage before check-in can become powerful proof during damage or lost baggage claims. In 2026, airlines are asking for more evidence before approving compensation requests. Photos should include the outside of the suitcase, the condition of wheels and handles, and important items packed inside. A quick video showing the bag's condition can also help during disputes. Without proof, airlines may claim the suitcase was already damaged before the flight. Smart travelers now document everything before handing luggage to airline staff because one photo can save hundreds of dollars and prevent long arguments after landing. Number 7. Use smart trackers. Inside luggage. Lost luggage recovery is becoming faster for travelers using tracking devices. Small smart trackers hidden inside suitcases can show the bag's real-time location during flights and airport transfers. In 2026, many travelers are discovering lost luggage before airlines even locate it in their systems. This technology helps passengers identify whether luggage is stuck in another terminal, loaded onto the wrong plane, or left behind during connections. Smart trackers also provide peace of mind during long international trips. Travelers no longer need to rely only on airline updates because the suitcase location can often be monitored directly from a smartphone within seconds. Number 6. Avoid cheap luggage locks. Cheap luggage locks may look secure, but many can be opened within seconds using simple tools. Weak zippers are also becoming a major problem because thieves can quietly open bags without breaking the lock itself. In 2026, experienced travelers are investing in stronger TSA-approved locks combined with durable anti-theft zippers. Some travelers are also using luggage straps for additional protection during long flights. While no suitcase is completely theft-proof, stronger security can discourage quick theft attempts during baggage handling. A low-quality lock may create false confidence, but stronger luggage protection can make a huge difference when bags move through crowded airports worldwide. Number 5. Avoid checking in last minute. Passengers who check bags at the final boarding minutes face a higher risk of luggage delays. In 2026, airlines are moving bags faster through automated systems, and late checked luggage may not always reach the aircraft in time. Many travelers arrive at their destination only to discover the suitcase is coming on a later flight. This becomes even more common during connecting flights with short layovers. Smart travelers now arrive earlier to allow baggage systems enough processing time. Giving airline staff extra time reduces the chance of luggage being left behind and helps avoid stressful baggage claim problems after landing in another country. Number 4. Use hard-shell suitcases carefully. Hard-shell luggage may look stronger, but many cheaper models crack under pressure during rough baggage handling. In 2026, overloaded flights and faster loading systems are causing more suitcase damage than before. Some hard-shell bags also fail near wheel sections and corners after only a few trips. Travelers are now choosing high-quality materials instead of buying luggage based only on appearance. Soft-shell luggage with reinforced protection is also becoming popular again because it handles pressure differently during transport. A broken suitcase during an international trip can create serious problems, especially during long airport connections and crowded travel seasons. Number 3. Put contact information inside the bag. Many travelers only place identification tags outside the suitcase, but those tags can easily fall off during handling. In 2026, airlines are recommending passengers place another contact card inside the luggage as backup identification. If external tags are lost, airport staff may still identify the owner by opening the suitcase during inspection. The information should include a name, phone number, email address, and destination details. Smart travelers also avoid displaying home addresses publicly on outer tags for security reasons. One small information card inside the bag can dramatically improve recovery chances if luggage becomes separated during international travel. Number 2. Record the luggage weight before flying. Unexpected overweight baggage disputes are becoming more common at airports in 2026. Some travelers believe airline scales are inaccurate, while others forget weight limits changed after adding souvenirs or electronics. Smart travelers now weigh luggage at home and take a quick photo of the scale before leaving for the airport. This provides proof if major weight differences appear during check-in. Recording luggage weight also helps travelers avoid expensive baggage fees and last-minute repacking at crowded counters. Small digital luggage scales are becoming essential travel tools because they reduce stress and prevent unexpected delays before boarding international flights. Number 1. Never assume airlines will fully compensate losses. Many travelers believe airlines automatically pay full compensation for lost or damaged luggage, but the reality is often very different. In 2026, compensation policies remain limited, and claim approvals can take weeks or even months. Airlines may only reimburse part of the luggage value depending on receipts, documentation, and international travel rules. Some claims are denied completely because passengers cannot prove what was inside the suitcase. Smart travelers now use travel insurance, keep receipts for expensive items, and avoid packing irreplaceable belongings inside checked luggage. Depending entirely on airline compensation can become a costly mistake after a baggage disaster. Checked luggage problems are becoming more common in 2026, and travelers who ignore these warnings may face expensive losses, stressful delays, or stolen belongings during future trips. Simple precautions taken before arriving for a flight can dramatically reduce the chances of luggage disasters. From using smart trackers to protecting valuables and documenting every bag properly, these travel habits are becoming essential for safer flying. If these tips were helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with friends or family before their next trip.